is Learning Biophysics with the Team 320. So today I am Mohammad Sahil and I am going to make you understand about my first topic, that is amino acid. So amino acids are the molecule that combines to form proteins, and amino acids and proteins are the building block of a life. And if we see the human body contains in atomic percent, that is hydrogen is 60%, oxygen 25%, and the carbon dioxide, nitrogen, sulfur, calcium, sulfur, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, and many other of the elements. So like we know, you have heard that I told you about the carbon and nitrogen, hydrogen. So these are all the things makes the amino acid primary structure. Talk about the amino acid primary structure, that is C. Any of the every protein contains the amino acid. So at the end, like proteins when break down, at the end it forms the amino acid. So what is the amino acid structure? So we have a carbon as the main element, and from that we know carbon has the valency of 4. It combines with 4 of the things. So here C, carbon combines with amino group, that is NH2, and another group is that COOH, and one group H, and one is R. That R determines that how many types of amino acids we are going to make. So if that R is like our first of the amino acid is that glycine. If we talk about the glycine, here R group is like H. And if we talk about alanine, that is CH2. So like this, if we replace the R group with other element like hydrogen, methyl group, any other group, we exchange that R group with the different groups, compounds, and that makes the different types of amino acids. Like as we take about the classification of amino acids, we will get clear about this. What are that types of amino acids? So first amino acid that we see is like about essential amino acids, non-essential amino acids, and conditionally essential amino acids. Essential amino acids cannot be made by the body. So for that amino acids we need to take a nutrient from outside to get that types of essential amino acids, and that are histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, and tryptophan and valine. These 9 amino acids are essential amino acids. When talking amino acids, that are includes alanine, arginine, asparagine, and we see aspartic acid and cysteine, glutamic acid, and another is glutamine, glycine, proline, serine, and tyrosine. These are as non-essential amino acids that can be made up by our body. So here comes the main type of, like we have to understand about conditionally essential amino acids that are usually not essential, that are but except in times of illness and stress we cannot make that type of amino acids. So that time we have to take these amino acids from outside. So what are the conditionally amino acids that we among 20 of the we know? That is arginine, cysteine, glutamine, tyrosine, and glycine, and at the last proline and serine. These are the amino acids that are conditionally essential amino acids. Why these are conditionally amino? So now as we further go, there is one or more amino acids we have heard. You have heard in my topic that I have said proline. Proline is the amino acid that is not a real amino acid, because it contains the amino group, that is amino acid. So that's why we say proline as a amino acid group, not as amino acid, but it is considered in the 20 of the amino acid. As I told you the structure, how amino acids are formed, that carbon is connected with the carboxyl group and the amino group. So when we see this R group, that is radical group. Okay, I will make you clear about the radical group that contains a part from CH or other atoms like O. Oxygen we can have at that R place, or sulfur we can have, nitrogen can have, as we have seen in the, I will show you that list in my video. like in I have this list, I will show at the notes, so you can prefer from there. So these all, as I told you, the structure how amino acids like different is there. We have NH2 group, and that NH2 can be divided like N group as has a positive charge, and if we get the extra hydrogen in that NH2 group, that is NH3. If we make NH3 group, there is a plus charge on the nitrogen, and that makes the zwitter ion formation. This is all about the zwitter ion formation, and there is a series of reaction that I am showing you on this screen. You can see that is we have C R1 group, R2 group, and that is binding and to form another group that from that R group zwitter ion we have that zwitter ion breaks into two, and from that zwitter ion another group can be added, as you can see on the screen, so to form the new peptide, and that forms the peptide bond of the protein. So like I have told you about the zwitter ion, that is dipolar ion. Now I will tell you about the common amino acids and their natures. So at the end of this topic I am telling you about this because you have to learn it very carefully, like it you have to learn it by heart, the how these amino acids been divided as a acidic and basic neutral. So first of all, our neutral in amino acids are glycine, alanine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, phenylalanine, and proline, and tryptophan, serine, threonine, methionine, asparagine, and we have glutamine, cysteine. These all are our neutral amino acids, and we can represent these respectively by glycine as GLY, alanine as ALA, valine as VAL, leucine as LEU. These all are the symbols. I will show you at the on the screen. You can see all the amino acids and their symbols. Now I another set of amino acids that are an acidic amino acid, that are aspartic acid, glutamic acid, tyrosine. These are represented as ASP, GLU, TIYR, and the R group here is CH2COO in the aspartic acid. Glutamic acid have CH2 and CEO carboxyl group, and the tyrosine also have CH2, C6H4 and O minus at the end. So like these all are the acidic acid. Now we have a basic acids, basic amino acids, that is histidine, lysine, and arginine. Histine, lysine, and arginine. Histidine is like HIS, that is that R group is here is CH2, C double bond CH, and from the C double bond CH, one C is the middle C is connected with NH2, and the last C is third carbon is connected to N, and both of the nitrogen group from this is connected towards CH bond. So you can see on the screen, better to see on the screen about the structure of histidine. I will provide each and every structure in the like notes you can prefer, and the base lysine and arginine is symbolized as LYS and ARG, and here is also our R group is different. So these R groups are the only thing that makes the amino acid one different from one and another. So here is the complete description about the amino acids. Now the next topic will be the electrolyte in the next video. Thank you guys.